Hello, cheeky monkeys! I'm really excited to be bringing you another story from God's true book, from the Bible, that tells us all about Him and what He's done for His people. Now, what do we need to do before we hear our story? We need to wiggle our fingers, don't we? So let's wiggle our fingers out in front of us. Let's wiggle them really slowly. How slowly can you wiggle your fingers? Okay, let's wiggle them really fast. How fast can you wiggle them? Oh, and shake them, warm them up. Get them really warmed up. Okay, shake them up high, shake them down low, and up high, and down low, and out to the side, and tickle your chin, and tickle your ear, and tickle that nose, raise your nose. Tickle your elbows. Can you find your elbow? Tickle your elbows. And tickle your knees. And wiggle them out in front of you. And hide them. Where have they gone? Where have your little wiggling fingers gone? Here they are. Fantastic. Okay. Are we ready to wiggle our fingers? Wiggle your fingers. Pat your knees. Fold your arms. And look at me. Fantastic. I hope we're all sitting ready for today's story. Okay, well, first I want to ask you something. How many hands do we have? How many hands do you have? We count them. 1, 2. We've got 2 hands, haven't we? Find your ears. How many ears do you have? Shall we count them? 1, 2. Fantastic. How many eyes? Find your eyes. How many eyes do you have? 1, 2. Fantastic. Okay. Now, how many noses do you have? Find your nose. How many do we have? 1. We've got only 1 nose, haven't we? How many mouths have you got? How many mouths? Find your mouth. Only 1 mouth, haven't we? How many heads do we have? Let's all put our hands on our head. How many heads do we have? Only 1 head. Fantastic. So we have only 1 nose, only 1 mouth, and only 1 head. Now, what we've been looking at in Cheeky Monkeys, we've been looking at how God is only one God. There is only one God, and that is God in heaven, isn't it? So last week we looked at the story of Elijah and how God showed that he was the only one God, the one true God, by sending that fire to burn up the wood and show that he was there, to show that he is the only one God. And we've got another story for you today. Okay, from the Bible, from God's true book. Okay, showing where God shows again that he is the only one God. Okay, fantastic. Now, our story today starts with a guy called King Neb. Now, King Neb ruled over God's family, ruled over all of his people. He had taken them to his own kingdom and he was ruling over them. He was king over them. Now, one day, King Neb decided to build a statue, and he built a statue out of gold. Very, very expensive, very precious statue. And he said to the people, to God's people, you must bow down to this statue. You must bow down to this statue because I say this statue is a god. And we must bow down to it. Now, King Neb made that a rule. And he said, if you don't do this, you will be thrown into a burning furnace, which is a furnace with lots of fire, because he didn't like anyone who didn't obey him. So King Neb wrote down this rule and told everyone that they must obey it. Now, there were 3 men who were God's people in his kingdom who didn't bow down to this statue. They were called Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. And these three men, when King Neb told them to bow down, they wouldn't do it because they knew there was only one God and that this statue wasn't a God at all, that there was only one God, the one true God. So they said no. Now this made King Neb very angry. He was so angry, and he said, I'm going to throw you into the fire. And he made the fire really, really hot, even hotter than normal, because he was so angry. And it was so hot that no one could go near it. And he threw Meshach, Shadrach, and Abednego into the fire because he was so angry and he wanted to hurt them. Well, something amazing happened when Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were in the fire. Someone else appeared. Instead of three men walking round in the fire, there were four. Another person had appeared that looked like an angel from God, from the one true God. Amazing! And King Neb saw this and he was amazed and he said, come out, come out. Your God, the one true God, has saved you. And Meshach, Shadrach, and Abednego came out of the fire and they didn't have any hurt on them. They were unharmed. They were not hurt at all from the fire. They didn't even smell of smoke. If you've been around a fire and smell your clothes afterwards, you'd smell of smoke. They didn't even smell of smoke. They were unharmed. They weren't hurt because God had saved them. And King Neb saw this and was amazed. And he said, praise to the one and only God. And he made Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego rulers in his kingdom, really important people. So God showed he was the one true God, didn't he? It's amazing. And he rescued Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. And that's amazing, isn't it? And we can ask God to help us remember that he is the one true God. And he is the one we can talk to. And he is the one that can save us and rescue us too. Well, I hope you listened really well to that story and are ready to do some singing. Okay, Cheeky Monkeys, I hope you're all ready to do some singing. And we'll start, as usual, with My God is so big, so strong, and so mighty. Okay, are we ready? Get all warmed up to wiggle. Oh, my voice has gone really funny. Okay, are we ready? My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing that he cannot do. My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing that he cannot do. The rivers are his, the mountains are his, the stars are his handiwork too. My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing that he cannot do. Yay! Well done, everyone. The next one we're going to do is the new one I taught you all last week, okay, which is two little eyes. Remember, we thought about how many eyes we had? Two little eyes to look to God, two little ears to hear his word, that's the Bible, that's God's true book. Two little feet to walk in his ways, two little lips to sing his praise, two little hands to do his will, and one little heart to love him still. Are we ready? Two little eyes to look to God, two little ears to hear his word, two little feet to walk in his ways, two little lips to sing his praise, two little hands to do his will, and one little heart to love him still. Yay! Well done, everyone. I hope we will learn that one as well. And when we meet again, we'll be able to sing that all together, which will be really nice, won't it? The next one we're going to do is Tommy Thumb. Okay, Tommy Thumb. Thought about how many thumbs we've got. We've got two thumbs. We've got one Tommy Thumb, two Tommy Thumb. Okay, Let's get everyone out, get them all warmed up. Tommy Thumb, Peter Pointer, Toby Tall, Ruby Ring, Baby Small. Are we all ready? Okay, let's hide them. Okay, is everyone hidden their fingers and thumbs? Are we ready? Tommy Thumb, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Peter Pointer, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Toby Tall, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Ruby Ring, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby Small, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Fingers all, where are you? Here we are, how do you do? Yay, well done everyone. Okay, the next one we're going to do is a counting one. We'll do a counting one today. Okay, so we've got our pea pod press. Pea pod press, 5 little peas in a pea pod press. Are we ready? If you get your pea pod press, hide all your little peas. Are you ready? 5 little peas in a pea pod press. 1 grew, 2 grew, and so did all the rest. They grew and they grew and they did not stop until one day the pod went pop. Yay, well done. I hope you did a really loud pop. Really loud pop there for our peas popping out of the pod. Okay, cheeky monkeys, let's do head, shoulders, knees and toes. Okay, let's all get warmed up. Everyone stand up on your feet. Do a little wiggle. Okay, we're ready. Find your head, find your shoulders, find your knees, find your toes. Fantastic. Are we ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes, and ears, and mouth, and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Fantastic, well done. Shall we do it a little bit faster? Are we ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Oh, fantastic, everyone, well done. Let's do, what's this one? What's this one? Sleeping bunnies. Let's do sleeping bunnies. Okay, everyone on the floor for sleeping bunnies. Are we ready? See the little bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we try and wake them with a merry tune? They're so still, are they ill? Wake up soon. Wake up, little bunnies! Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. 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 Yay! Okay, let's do a different one this week. We've done bunnies. Shall we do some stamping? Shall we stamp little elephants? Okay, so what we need to do is get our feet ready. Okay, and we're going to do this as well. So we're going to go stamp little elephant, stamp, stamp, stamp. Okay, but first we need to go to sleep, don't we? Are we ready? Sleeping elephants. See the little elephants sleeping till it's noon. Shall we try and wake them with a merry tune? They're so still, are they ill? Wake up soon. Wake up, little elephants! Okay, you ready to do some stamping? Stamp, little elephant, stamp, stamp, stamp. 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 Yay! Okay, shall we do... What's that? Sleeping lions. Okay, you ready for sleeping lions? We'll go to sleep. See the little lion sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we try and wake them with a merry tune? They're so still, are they ill? Wake up soon. Wake up, little lions! Are you ready? Roar, little lions, roar, roar, roar. 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 Yay, well done. Shall we do sleeping crocodiles? We haven't done them yet, have we? Sleeping crocodiles. Okay, we ready? On the floor. See the little crocodile sleeping till it's noon. Shall we try and wake them with a merry tune? They're so still, are they ill? Wake up soon. Wake up, little crocodiles! Snap, little crocodile, snap, snap, snap. 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 Yay! Well done, everyone. Fantastic singing today. So this is the craft for today. You've got two pictures, one with the fiery furnace and the other with the four people that appeared in it. And what you do is you cut them out, colour them in, cut them out and stick them back to back, and then find a stick or a piece of dowel, or I've used a pencil, you could use the end of a paintbrush or something, or tightly roll a piece of card, but it needs to be cylindrical so you can rub it between your hands like this. And then what you do is you rub it like this, and then the people should appear like they're in the fire, in the burning furnace. Okay, so try it different ways. There we go. The faster you do it, and then they'll appear. Okay, so you have fun making that. That's in the email. There's also a painting picture there as well, and a hand painting as well, to make a fire with hand painting, orange, yellow, and red paints. So have fun with that. I hope you have a really good week, cheeky monkeys, and I'll see you all next Tuesday. Bye!